Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to plan your next vacation with ChatGPT. So here are some examples of questions you can ask ChatGPT to help your plan for the next vacation. So you will just tell them your destination. So if I just give them command to like how can I plan a vacation to Turkey with budget of $1,000. So you will just tap on this generate button and let's see the answer. So plan travel dates. Choose of your peak session, example March, May or September, November for cheaper flights and accommodation. And second, book flight. Use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner and Kayak or Google Flights. Search for round trip to major hubs like Istanbul expected $500 for budget airlines. And so you will see it will example budget breakdown for my flight is $500 and accommodation 7 nights $200 for hotel booking and food drinks like my eating expense is $120 and my transport expense is $50 and activities in $100 and miscellaneous is $30. So it will create a budget in my $1,000 to create a budget of the country Turkey to for my vacation. So keep a buffer for emergencies and focus on creating experiences, not spurling. So in this way, you can just use ChatGPT to plan your vacations. So if I just give them command like I will just give them command what are the cheapest ways to travel uh, in Europe. So let's see the answer. I will just give them command what are the cheapest ways to travel in Europe. So it will generating. So if I just scroll down, so here are some strategies that ChatGPT provide me to travel in Europe with low and cheapest budgets. So that's it. So in this way you can just use ChatGPT. So feel free to ask details and questions or customize these based on your specific needs. You will just give them command and tell them. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.